Hello, in front of me I've got Pulsar X3. In this video I'll show you how to create and assign macro. In the beginning, let's go to Pulsar app, select your mouse, and next go to macro. Here you have to create macro, or import or export it. Firstly, select record settings, record data type, and record your macro. Once it's done, stop recording and tap Save. Next, let's go to Customize and select button you would like to assign macro to. Select macro, select existing macro, and now select run mode between run the ID macro n times until button is released and until button is pressed. Tap OK and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.